I welcome you all at GSB Fit. You guys keep asking me about the reviews, about our MPT course, Master Personal Trainer course. You keep asking about nutrition course. Recently, we have launched a diploma. In diploma, we have covered each and everything you're looking for. Each and everything, each and every aspect of fitness and nutrition we have covered in that course. And I'm sure you will love them all. So today we have a mom, and she's going to introduce herself. I'm not going to reveal her identity. She'll do that herself. She's going to tell you about her experience with her course, with our Master Personal Trainer course, her experience with our nutrition course, and how, what all she has learned, how it was different, what's our USP. I'm not going to tell you, she's going to tell you. Ma'am, I welcome you at our channel GSB Fit. Please introduce yourself, ma'am.
So good morning. मेरा नाम Shaika. My name is Shaika Shamim, and then I have been I was little overweight. So in order to reduce my weight, I started going to the gym. And as I was going to the gym, I decided, okay, why not study about these things? So I started studying about. I started to find out from where I can get the course. So one of my friends, Sumit Roy, he is my friend from past 6-7 years. We know each other from Indigo. We used to work together. So I used to see his pictures on Facebook and Insta. Then one day it clicked to me, why not ask him only? From where did he do the courses? And then I just asked him in the month of, I think August or September, I just asked him this year. And then he said, okay, when you will come back, you can do it from GSB. And then when I came back from my job, I normally I work in a cruise. So when I came back from there, so during my vacation, I studied 2 of the courses, and it was really good because with the help of the courses, I was transforming myself also, and I have seen great changes in my body. So I implemented, and I know exactly if you depend upon other person, they will make you mad. So you should have the knowledge whether they are telling you whatever they are telling you that is right or that is wrong. So now I know what is right, what is wrong. If they tell me also, but I know what is the decisions should be taken. Because if you ask 10 people, they will give you 10 different diet plans. They will give you 10 different exercises, but you should know what is the correct thing which you should follow. So this was the thing. So
great. Ma'am, I would like to stop you here. I would like to stop, and sorry for the interruption. Are you carrying a certificate with you?
Yeah,
are you carrying a certificate?
Yeah, I do have the certificate.
Can you please show that?
Yeah.
Okay, so your name is Shaika Shamim. Okay,
Shamim.
Right, that's Shamim. Perfect. So now I have few questions, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can I, if you allow me? Shall I?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
So, so the very first question is, you used to work at Indigo. In Indigo, I mean. So
yeah.
how come from Indigo that this transition has happened? How come?
From Indigo. So Indigo, I used to work 2.5 years back. Before I used to work, and then at that time we don't get time to look after ourselves. For me, I need plenty time. So after work, I never looked after myself. So from there, I just gained lots of weight, lots and lots of weight. I reached nearly 80 kgs. So now
must be because of the lifestyle. Must be because of your lifestyle, right?
Because of the lifestyle, lack of water, and then in 10 hours we get to eat one time, and this was the thing. So because of that,
I'm sorry. I'm interrupting. I'm sorry for that. Just something clicked in my mind. You used to work there as in cabin crew, ground staff, or what? What was the designation?
Ground staff, security. I was
ground staff, security. Yes. Okay. Please continue, ma'am.
And then after that, when I went to the cruise, as a security, I work in a passenger ship. After going to the cruise, we have got a great gym. The gym is very beautiful, and all the instruments are available over there, and the food is also good. So after 6-7 months, I decided, okay, now it's time to focus on yourself. So I started working out, and then following a good lifestyle. And when I came back, I continued it. And when again I went to the ship, I continued it again. So it took at least 6 months to transform myself. But now I know exactly what to eat, what not to eat. And then if people advise me, I know like this is good for me or this is not good for me, because we need to gain knowledge. So this was the only
Yeah,
means
yeah.
I can get knowledge. So even I am so like I want to participate in competitions also. Maybe in coming December, first time I'll step on the stage. I'll prepare for
Wow,
it. Yeah, I am preparing, like
wow.
I am focusing on it. So I hope
Ma'am,
so.
I'm there. I'm there for you. I'm there for you. If you need any help in the competition, to all our students, if you're looking for
Yeah,
any help apart from your course, we are there to help you out. Because especially women, I personally believe in women empowerment. You must have seen my videos as well on women empowerment. I want to empower women. I want maximum women to join the fitness industry. I want them to work as a personal trainer, fitness trainer in the industry, and that's my aim. And
yeah,
I'm glad that you used to work in Indigo and then you have joined our course. Now you're preparing for the bodybuilding competition. I'm excited, glad after hearing that thing. I'm really happy for you,
yeah,
for myself.
yeah. And then
So,
Sumit Roy, he's
ma'am,
my friend. Sumit Roy was a great
mhm.
help for me. He advised me all the things, like he's approachable. I can approach him and ask him, and he give me a like good direction. He's very helpful. This I want to
Yeah,
put
he's
this
a, he's a good counselor.
because I want to put this forward, because whatever changes, because all these courses and everything is because of him. Like he is the one who guided me to the right path. So I'm very
Mm,
thankful for him till now. I'm very thankful for him.
mm,
And
mm,
maybe
mm.
he will coach me. I'm asking him to coach me in the future for bodybuilding competition and something like that. Whatever I'll do.
Perfect. That's really good, ma'am. That's really good that you're happy with our counselors, because our all counselors, not even Sumit Roy, each and every counselor is like that. So
Yeah.
that's how we make teams, and that's how we build the organization. Because an organization is dependent on their people, and our each and every employer, each and every associate, each and every counselor is like that only. They are very helpful, very generous, and coming with a lot of humanity.
Yeah.
That's how it is. So, ma'am, I have the other question now. Like, if you have to compare our course with the other academies, or if you have to compare our academy with the other academies, how you will distinguish?
How I will distinguish, because I have not gone through any other course like from any other academy. To be very honest, this is the one which I have.
Okay,
This is the first
so
time.
like we are the, we are the
Attended.
first one, and we have clicked, and you
Yeah,
have
yeah,
joined the
yeah,
course,
yeah.
and
Okay. Yeah,
you're
yeah.
happy
I'm
with our
happy.
course. Great,
Yes, I'm happy with the
great,
course.
great, great.
Perfect.
Perfect,
Perfect.
ma'am. Perfect. Thanks for the reviews. Thanks for the feedbacks which you have shared. I'm sure this is going to change life of many people out there. This is going to
Yes.
change life of many women out there from different industries. They'll come and they will start pursuing this course, and I'm sure they will learn new things, and they will implement those things in their gym. And as you said, there are a lot of different trainers have different approach, and they're not following science. They are following their own science, which they have created over
Yes.
years.
Yes.
And I'm sure by this knowledge, you and your team, you in your gym, you'll make a difference.
Yeah, and even I appreciate the videos which you have like made on the different exercises, how to do a particular exercise. I really appreciate those videos. So this time, what I'll do the recordings and then I'll take it there back, so that while I am just exercising, I can take help from there. It's a big help. All the videos which you
Ma'am,
have
don't
made.
just small request. Don't record them. Don't record them. Just log into a website. Recording, because
No,
recording is a punishable offense, and
okay.
don't do that. Don't do
But
that,
thing is,
because that's
no.
our
Okay, but thing is that the net is very expensive over there. If I'll all the time
no.
if I'll open it.
So you
Okay.
what you can do, just go through the content before going to the gym. Just learn it and implement it.
Okay.
Just I'm telling you,
Okay.
for your goodness, because recording the content and like that, it's an offense, and that is mentioned in a course as well. So don't do
Yeah.
that thing. It's good you have asked
But
me. And for all those
okay, but
people,
yeah.
for all those people who are pursuing our course, seeing our videos, downloading and copying, recording our content is a punishable offense, and that can lead to 5 CR damage to the individual. It's a damage of 5 CR, which we can do if we are recording or downloading our content. So don't do such activities. and
Okay.
don't get into any trouble. And even we don't want that.
Yeah. Okay, sure. Then I have to
Right,
learn
ma'am?
everything here. Yeah.
Yeah. You have to learn, and it's good you have shared with me that thing. Otherwise,
Yeah.
it could have led to some trouble in the future
Yeah.
to us as well. Right, ma'am?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks for your time. Thanks for the
Thank
feedback,
you.
ma'am. I'm definitely, and I want to thank you for the efforts
Yeah.
you have made for this video. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.